News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Food Corporation of India, Government of India Press, Nashik, National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization, Ministry of Science and Technology and Department of Food Safety, Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi. Food Corporation of India, FCI, one of the largest public sector undertakings, was set up under the Food Corporations Act 1964 in order to fulfill objectives of the food policy, which include effective price support operations for safeguarding the interests of the farmers, distribution of food grains throughout the country for public distribution system, and maintaining satisfactory level of operational and buffer stocks of food grains to ensure national food security. Food Corporation of India invites online applications for the following post of Assistant General Manager or Technical or Accounts or Law, and Medical Officer in its offices spread all over the country. One post of Assistant General Manager, General Administration, post code A. One post of Assistant General Manager, Technical, post code B. One post of Assistant General Manager Accounts, post code C, one post of Assistant General Manager Law, post code D, and one post of Medical Officer, post code E. These vacancies are inclusive of backlog vacancies. Candidate can apply for only one of the postcode A, B, C, D, and E. However, if it is found that for any reason the candidate has submitted multiple applications, then the online application with the higher registration number accompanied by fresh fee and complete in all respect will only be considered by FCI, and the earlier application submitted will not be considered. The fee paid against one registration number shall not be adjusted against any other registration number. Further, it is also informed that the fee once paid, including in case of multiple applications, shall not be refunded in any circumstances. Also, if the candidate is claiming a particular qualification as per the requirement of the notice of examination, wherever applicable, order or letter in respect of equivalent educational qualifications will require to be produced by the candidate at the time of document verification and as when required by FCI, indicating the authority under which it has been so treated in respect of equivalent clause in essential qualifications. Candidates are advised to visit www.fci.gov.in for job description for the vacant post. Shortlisting in the online test and or interview for any post without fulfillment of eligibility conditions will not confer any claim to the candidate for final selection to the post. Candidates should comply with additional instructions, if any, notified by FCI. Information about the candidates shortlisted at various stages will be posted on FCI website, for which candidates may visit website www.fci.gov.in. Last date for submission of online application and payment of fees is 31st March 2021 till 1600 hours. Call letters will be available on the website 10 days prior to the date of examination for download, and date of online test will be announced on the website, which is tentatively scheduled in the month of May or June 2021. Institute of Secretariat Training and Management, ISTM, is an attached office under the Department of Personnel and Training, Government of India. The Institute of Secretariat Training and Management formally came into being in May 1948, which was known at that time as the Secretariat Training School. The present name of the institute as Institute of Secretariat Training and Management, or ISTM in short, was awarded later with the motto Efficiency and the Public Good. The mandate of the institute is to impart training to officers of Central Secretariat Service, Central Secretariat Stenographer Service, and officers of other organized or subsidiary services functioning in the Central Secretariat. Central Secretariat Service officers form the backbone of the central government ministries or departments and normally hold various positions up to the level of joint secretaries. Their key responsibilities include policy formulation, execution, monitoring and review. The institute also provides training support to the state governments, union territory administrations, central public sector enterprises, central autonomous bodies and other organizations in specialized and general areas. ISTM also conducts Management Development Program MDP for officers of the level of Deputy Secretary and above of the Government of India. The areas covered are financial management, management principles, good governance, knowledge management, behavioral techniques and cabinet note preparation in order to orient them towards effective service delivery in the central government. Some other activities of the institute include undertaking research studies, providing consultancy services and development of trainers in training techniques. Government of India Press Nashik proposes to fill one post of General Storekeeper to be filled as pre-existing recruitment rules non-industrial 2003 on deputation from amongst officials of central government including the Department of Printing. The application should reach the office of the Government of India Press, Gandhinagar, Nashik within 1 month from the date of publication of advertisement. Further details and eligibility conditions for filling up the above post are available on the website of Directorate of Printing, New Delhi at www.dop.nic.in. Applications are invited for filling up one post of director on deputation including short-term contract basis in National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization, a subordinate office under the Department of Science and Technology with headquarters at Kolkata. The period of deputation including period of deputation and another ex-cadre post held immediately preceding this appointment in the case or some other organization, department of central government shall not ordinarily exceed 5 years. The post of Director NATMO or NATMO is likely to fall vacant with effect from 9th November 2021. Candidates who apply for the post will not be allowed to withdraw their candidature subsequently. Last date of receipt of application shall be 45 days by 5:30 p.m. from date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News and Rozgar Samachar. Applications received after closing date or received incomplete in any respect are liable to be summarily rejected. DST shall not be responsible for any delay on the part of Postal Department for delivery of application even if posted before the last date. No representation against such rejection will be entertained. For application format and other general conditions and requirements, visit the website dst.gov.in/announcement/recent announcements. Department of Food Safety, Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi intends to fill up one post of Deputy Legal Advisor Group A by deputation including short-term contract basis. Accordingly, applications are invited from eligible and willing officers of central or state governments, union territories, PSUs, autonomous or statutory organizations or recognized universities or institutions. For complete advertisements, application format, eligibility criteria, that is, educational qualification, experience, biodata or curriculum vitae pro forma, etc., the applicants are advised to visit the official website of the department, that is, www.foodsafety.delhi.govt.nic.in. Application complete in all respects should be forwarded through proper channel to the concerned authority within 60 days of publication of this advertisement. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.